Hello. Okay. Welcome to my channel, the new currency, and we are going to hop into the Touche indicator so I can let you know the power that it has and what to expect when you pick up this indicator for yourself. Okay, so let's just jump right in there. So let's look at the chart right now. There's nothing there that is showing that there's going to be a significant push, so you won't see anything. Okay. Obviously it went down. Okay, so you're seeing that it's going down. But what I'm telling you is there's already an indicator saying that it's about to go down. So whenever you start seeing entries, you'll see it with these red or green pip signs. Whenever you see that, that means that the indicator is telling you that something's going to happen. And I was just in time, it's saying that it's going to move up quickly and move down. So right here it went up pretty quick, and then that's when it made that big move down. Okay, so it made the big move down. Okay, so now we have another signal that's saying it's either going to go up or down. And so I also want to say, like, you will receive two indicators. One will have sample trades within the trend, and then sample trades counter trend. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So take a look at this. All right, so it's pretty much saying something's getting ready to happen. Something's getting ready to happen. And sure enough, it did. Okay, let's see. So we have, just in this scenario, let's look at how we would look at that. We have a 3-to-1. That's just if you follow this, if that's how you have your settings. So we have a 3-to-1, but like I said, this is an indicator saying it's getting ready to push down significantly. If you would have just took this trade down here, you would have got a 3-to-1. But it went down. You could have got a 7-to-1 off of this trade. Okay. So yeah, that's all it's doing. It's providing different opportunities to get into a trade. And these are all high risk reward ratio entries. These are not 1-to-1. Please pay attention when I'm saying this. I'm not giving you little risk reward ratios, because this indicator is designed to tell you when there's going to be a large push going up or down. So yes, like, that's what I'm telling you guys. You have the opportunity to, and you don't even have to sit there and wait and see if you're, they tell you sit and wait and be patient. You don't have to. Like, this indicator waits for you. It tells you, yes, something is getting ready to happen. A push is getting ready to happen. And so what you need to do is simply look at these trades. You may want to mimic these trades to see where you can get your entry in. So like, if you would have took a short here at this point, my stop loss, if you can see that red line, it's set so well that you're not going to lose a lot of money. This is a loss of 4 pips, only 4. And so then I have another one that's saying, okay, we might go down, but no, we did go down a little bit. You actually could have took that trade if you were looking for a 1-to-1. Let's see. If you were willing to do a 1-to-1, you would have won. Okay. But this isn't set up. And let me tell you something as well. You can adjust your settings to however you want it. So let's say you want to do risk reward. You decided that I want to take my trades based on risk reward, and I only want to do 1-to-1s. Let's look what happens. So now this trade is looking for a 1-to-1 scenario. 1-to-1 scenario. You would have won that, like I said. Okay. But I kind of like seeing, oh, also you can actually adjust it for pips. So right now I have it at 10 pips as the target. You can change it if you want. You can set it to, yeah, let's keep it at 10 pips. Okay, so this trade was looking for 10 pips before it hit stop loss. No, it didn't. It lost. And this trade was looking for 10 pips. And you see where it landed. It took profit at 10 pips. Okay, that's another option. So you can do risk reward. You can do it based off of pips for your profit. I have it in what is called the Start, and I'll probably adjust this to make it a little bit more clear, because a lot of this coding wording is there for you, for me, and I think I want to make it more clear for you guys. But this one that I have here really looks to see chances where it feels like it may have exhausted it going down, because as you see here, it stopped and then it started to go back up. So it kind of looks for when it's getting ready to go up and stops. But like as you can see here, you could have kept going. It went down so much further before hitting stop loss, but this is to stay safe. But this significantly went down. That's what I'm telling you guys. This shows you when price is getting ready to really go down. We're up. So anyway, that is super significant. And not only that, you're not risking too much, because look here. When I tell you, when you get this, it will tell you exactly where to place your stop loss. So you don't have to start second guess it. I got my stop loss right here. And if you look at where it took profit here, that's a 6-to-1 risk reward ratio. But how much did it actually go? At least 14-to-1. At least 14-to-1. Do y'all see what I'm saying? Okay. And then even here, this is another indicator saying something's getting ready to happen. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and play this out for you. What did I do? Okay, well, yeah, let's just look at this. I don't want to keep this video long. When you ever see A, the letter A here, and I might adjust this so it could be a little bit more clear, but that means it's getting ready to make that push down. And yes, you got 40 pips right here. It went down even further. We have another, if you can kind of see, I'm gonna zoom in for you. Woo. Another A, that means it's getting ready to do something again. And did it? Yes, it went up. And like I said, these are sample trades if you wanted to take this with very tight stops. These are short entries. Now, I also have it for long entries, so you can look at both, and it helps you with the stops that you would want to place. So let's look at this one. So now these are long entries with very strong stops. So right here, I have a long, and then it kind of got cut off. So, but then I entered again with that long, because I know it's getting ready to make a push up or down, and did it not? Okay, let's see if we can. Let's see how it would look if I just did pips. Okay, we got 80 pips here. What kind of risk reward is this? If you did at least, if you said you wanted 4-to-4, you definitely would have got it, because this is a 9-to-1 risk reward. 80 pip gain. And you could have got more. This could have been a 12-to-1 win. Y'all see what I'm saying? Let's keep looking at it, because like I said, I'm going to provide 2 of them. Yeah, let's look at this. Now we have one that's going down. We got at least a 3-to-1. It went all the way down to a 4-to-1. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. Like, this is a powerful indicator. It takes so many steps away. You don't have to sit there and try to figure out how to trade, sit and wait for the perfect trade to come and try to practice discipline. No, that's not necessary. Wait for the indicator to tell you that a push is getting ready to take place. Look and see where you should place your stop pip and where you should put your entry, and decide how far am I going to take my my profit. Am I going to take profit based off of pips? You can do that. Set it up with distant pips. Or do I want to only take a good risk reward, maybe 2-to-1, 3-to-1? I don't know why you would do something that low, because my stops are so strong. Because as you can see, we're getting very strong trades with risk reward ratios at 5s and 6s up to 11s. So there's so much opportunity here. I will continue on the daily to show you the Touche indicator, because I mean, you really can't go wrong. Where are we at? Yeah, so right now we stopped at February 13th, so we don't have much activity. Well, yeah, so right now it's February 13th. I will continue to update you with new trades when it comes out. And just by looking at this, my guess, let me see, where am I guessing? Oh, it could go either way. I think it's going to go down a little bit more. It's going to touch down, because this, in trading, this wick really does say that it's about to push up. So I think it's going to go down a little bit more, maybe touch this again, but it will go, I'd say it would go up even more. So down a little bit more and then up. So yes, that is what I am predicting. We will see what happens. Take a screenshot of what we got and we'll see what happens. Okay, thanks.